On 31st December 2023, Orbit cross-chain bridge suffered an attack due to weak validation and withdraw function and a weak signature validation issue, leading to an approximate loss of $81 million according to CoinDesk. Orbit chain official Twitter account shared 4 transaction hashes of the attack. First transaction involves 30 ETH loss, but other transactions involve a huge amount of losses. The second transaction hash involves 9,500 ETH. Third transaction hash involved 10 million USDC losses, and the fourth transaction hash involved 230 wrapped BTC losses. I'm going to trace the funds which were received by the receivers of these transactions only. So for the 9,500 ETH receiver address, I have created this Moneyflow graph. You can see that $22 million worth of ETH were sent to this address from Orbit bridge address, and they have not been moved as there is no outflow from here. So this 9,500 ETH still resides in this hacker associated address. Now moving on to the exploiter address which received approximately 10 million USDC, I have created this money flow graph for the same. So our origin address is basically here, and this also received 10 million USDC from Orbit chain. You can check this transaction here. The transaction amount is 10 million USDC. Then this exploiter address sent this 10 million USDC to another exploiter address 0x0C43. Then $8 million of USDC was sent to this Uniswap cluster of 4 addresses. Clicking on it shows you that most of the USDC was sent to this 0x57 address. When checking it on Explorer, this is USDC DAI pool on Uniswap. So it means exploiter swapped USDC for DAI here. For the remaining $2 million worth of USDC, the exploiter tried to do a swap transaction, but then the funds were picked up by the Wintermute resolver. This is the Wintermute resolver address when I checked on the Explorer, and then transferred this $2 million worth of USDC to this Wintermute market maker address labeled as Rapid Dog. And then here, again, finally, same thing happened. USDC DAI swap took place through Uniswap, Poloniex, and MetaMask. Moving on to the money flow graph for the exploiter address, which received $9.8 million worth of wrapped BTC from our Orbit chain bridge address. Exploiter here also sent it to another exploiter, 0xe03D. And then the second exploiter tried to swap the WBTC tokens for wrapped Ether using Uniswap WBTC tools. I checked this Uniswap cluster with 3 addresses. Mostly these 2 addresses were used. The 0xCB is also a wrapped BTC pool from Uniswap, and 0x45 is also a wrapped BTC pool from Uniswap. To investigate these DEX swaps, we will need to do some manual checking where the funds actually went. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions. And if you need help to investigate a blockchain hack, you can reach out to us.